Imagine driving through the Slovakian countryside, where rolling hills and green pastures stretch far and wide. Suddenly, the mist parts, revealing a colossal structure perched high on a travertine hill. This is no ordinary sight. It's a vast ancient castle that seems to float above the clouds, a true medieval marvel, waiting to share its secrets. The air is crisp, tinged with pine and damp earth. Early morning is best for this revelation, as the sun's rays illuminate the stone walls. The castle awakens with the dawn, its silhouette powerful against the sky. Is it real, or a vision from a forgotten fairy tale? This is the magic of Slovakia, a land where history feels alive, igniting a sense of wonder and a desire to explore. What stories do these ancient stones hold? The castle beckons you closer, promising an adventure back in time. More than just a ruin, it's a portal to another era, a testament to human ambition and endurance. Let's begin our exploration of this Slovakian treasure. We're talking about Spiš Castle, or Spišský hrad, a sprawling complex of stone. Covering over 4 hectares, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For good reason. Its sheer size is breathtaking, and its history is even more compelling. Built on a prominent Dolomite rock hill, it stands as a proud symbol of Slovakia. This strategic location offered protection and a clear view of the region. For centuries, it was a vital administrative center and military stronghold. The castle complex isn't just one building. It's a collection of structures. There's the Romanesque palace, the Gothic chapel, and various courtyards. Each part tells a piece of the story, reflecting different architectural styles. From the 12th century onwards, it grew and evolved over hundreds of years. Today, Spiš Castle is mostly in ruins, but these are evocative and powerful. Walking through them is like stepping into a history book. You can almost hear the clang of swords and the echoes of medieval life. This stone sentinel has guarded the Spiš region for centuries. It continues to inspire awe in all who visit, a true Slovakian icon. The castle whispers tales of a glorious past, inviting you to explore its mysteries. It's a place where history and imagination intertwine beautifully. Discover the stories etched in its ancient stones. Getting to Spiš Castle is an experience in itself, starting from the nearby town of Spišské podhradie. This charming town grew in the shadow of the great castle, which looms large above. The path upwards is clear, winding its way up the grassy hill. It's a walk that builds anticipation with every step, a steady climb requiring a bit of effort. As you ascend, the views get better, the town below shrinking as the countryside opens up. Take your time, enjoy the fresh air, and feel the connection to the past. Imagine this journey centuries ago, perhaps as a merchant or a knight. The castle would have seemed even more imposing then, its walls fully manned. Today, the feeling is one of excitement as you enter a medieval world. The anticipation is palpable, the air thin and cool. Reaching the castle gates is a rewarding moment. You're standing at the entrance to history. The sheer scale of the walls up close is impressive, the ancient stones whispering tales of the past. The wind often whips around the hilltop, carrying whispers of history. Take a deep breath. You are about to step through the gates and into the heart of Spiš Castle, where the past comes alive. The journey is as much about the destination as the path itself. Each step brings you closer to the stories waiting to be uncovered. Welcome to a world where history and legend meet. The story of Spish Castle begins in the 12th century. Though the hill was fortified even earlier, archaeological finds suggest prehistoric settlements, but the stone castle we see started taking shape then. Initially a royal castle, it was built to protect the northern border of the Hungarian kingdom. The earliest parts were built in the Romanesque style, with sturdy walls and rounded arches. The circular residential tower is a key feature from this period, symbolizing royal power. Imagine the masons and laborers toiling on this exposed hilltop, their work enduring for over 800 years. Over the next centuries, the castle expanded significantly, especially after the Mongol invasion of 1241. New walls were built, and a large Romanesque palace was constructed, complete with a chapel and knight's hall. The castle grew in importance, becoming the administrative center of Spiš County. The Spišský župan, or count, resided here, governing the region on behalf of the king. This made the castle a hub of political, social, and economic activity. Its strategic location controlled trade routes and projected royal authority. Its early foundations laid the groundwork for centuries of influence. A true cornerstone of the region, Spiš Castle's legacy is etched in its stones. Discover the early days of this remarkable fortress and its enduring impact. Spiš Castle has seen its share of drama over the years, with ownership changing hands many times. Kings, nobles, and wealthy families all controlled it, each leaving their mark. In the 15th century, the Zapolya family transformed it into a noble residence, adding stunning Gothic elements. Legends abound at Spiš Castle, adding to its mystique. One popular tale speaks of a cruel castellan, or a heartbroken noblewoman. These stories populate the empty courtyards with ghostly figures. Imagine the feasts, tournaments, and secrets whispered in dark corridors. The Great Fire of 1780 devastated much of the castle, leading to its abandonment. Yet even in ruin, its majesty remained, a symbol of Slovak national heritage. Efforts to preserve and restore parts of it began in the 20th century. They allow us to walk its grounds safely, to learn its stories, and to feel its power. The castle stands as a powerful reminder of the flow of history. Its legacy is etched in every stone, waiting to be discovered. Let's take to the skies and imagine a drone ascending, circling Spiš Castle slowly. This perspective reveals the true scale of the fortress and its stunning natural setting. The castle sprawls across the hilltop like a stone crown, its ruined walls creating a fascinating pattern. From above, you see the layout clearly: the upper castle, the middle courtyard, and the vast lower courtyard. The surrounding landscape is breathtaking, with rolling hills and patchworks of fields. The high Tatra mountains might be visible in the distance, their jagged peaks providing a dramatic backdrop. The castle is perfectly integrated into this environment, growing out of the very rock it stands on. The drone footage highlights the castle's strategic brilliance, commanding the surrounding territory. The steep slopes of the hill provided natural defenses, with incredible views from the ramparts. This marriage of human endeavor and natural landscape is truly special. The drone shows us details, the texture of the ancient walls, and the vastness of the open spaces. It emphasizes the castle's isolation, yet also its connection to the land. This aerial view helps us appreciate Spiš Castle in a new way, as part of a living, breathing landscape. A landscape that has shaped its destiny and that it continues to define. Stepping inside Spiš Castle today is an immersive experience. Even as ruins, the structures are impressive, with various courtyards and remaining towers to explore. The site is well managed, with information panels providing historical context. You can easily spend several hours exploring, just soaking in the atmosphere. The museum within the castle is worth a visit, housed in some of the restored sections. Here, you'll find artifacts discovered on site, weapons, pottery, tools. Exhibits detail the castle's history, its construction phases, and the lives of its inhabitants. As you walk, let your imagination roam free, picturing the bustling activity of a medieval castle. The sounds of blacksmiths, the smells from the kitchens, the echoes of music and laughter, or the grim realities of sieges and battles. These walls have seen it all. You are literally walking in the footsteps of history, a powerful feeling. Don't miss the chance to climb the main tower if it's accessible during your visit. The views from the top are spectacular, offering a 360-degree panorama of the Spiš region. Spiš Castle offers a tangible connection to the past, a truly memorable experience. Spiš Castle is more than just an ancient monument. It's a vital part of Slovak identity. It represents resilience, endurance, and a rich cultural heritage. For the people of the Spiš region, it's a source of pride and a symbol of their history. It draws visitors from all over the world, contributing to the local economy. The nearby town of Spišské Podhradie is also a UNESCO site, along with other related sites. Together, they showcase the historical and cultural richness of this area. The spirit of Spiš is found in its traditions, local crafts, and warm hospitality. Slovaks are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with visitors. Take time to interact with local people, sample the regional cuisine, and learn a few Slovak phrases. Spiš Castle also serves as an educational site, with school groups visiting regularly. Archaeologists continue to study it, uncovering new secrets and preserving its legacy. It's a place of learning, discovery, and inspiration, reminding us of the importance of protecting our shared heritage. These stones have stories to tell, and it's our privilege to listen and learn from them. Why should Spiš Castle be on your Slovakian itinerary? Because it offers an unparalleled journey into the past. It's one of Europe's most impressive castle ruins, with a rich and complex history. From its misty morning appearances to its sun-drenched ramparts, it captivates the imagination. It's not just about history, it's about the stunning natural beauty too. The castle's setting is magnificent, with unforgettable views. The hike up to the castle is part of the adventure, connecting you to the landscape. This blend of man-made marvel and natural splendor is rare, and Spiš Castle has it in abundance. Slovakia itself is a hidden gem in Central Europe, offering incredible value and a wealth of attractions. Spiš Castle is undoubtedly one of its brightest jewels, an opportunity to step off the beaten path. It's an experience that educates, inspires, and delights. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply a curious traveler, Spice Castle has something for you. It's a place to wander, to wonder, and to connect with centuries of human endeavor. So when you plan your next European adventure, consider Slovakia, and make sure Spice Castle is at the top of your list. This stone sentinel on its misty hill is waiting, ready to share its stories with you. Don't miss it.